Welcome to AutoSheet. In this video, we're going to see how you can set up toast notification. So here, okay, let me run this. So you will see this is our toast notification. You can set up this using Google Apps Script. For this, you have to click on extension, go to Apps Script. Okay, we'll set up spreadsheet. We call this toast notification. No, toast. Let me call this function toast. Okay, so for this you have to use spreadsheet app. Spreadsheet, everything will come in spreadsheet app. Then you have to define get active sheet spreadsheet dot. Okay, so this is a active spreadsheet. So now you have to type toast. Okay, so first thing you have to type the notification. So first thing is message, so you should always use string for this. So use inverted comma. So our message would be, we'll say task completed. Would be our message. Okay, so let me run this. See, we got this toast notification. So this is our message, and we can set up title also. So title would be, we call it notification. We can call it anything. See, we got. So now if we do this thing, so default time would be 5 seconds, and but you can customize it. So let's say if I want to add it for 1 second only, so see, it will come, and yeah, in 1 second it will okay. So now if you want to stay it for a long time, then you need to enter -1. So if I run this, so it will stay till I cancel it. If I don't cancel it, it will stay it like here. So I have to cancel it. So this is how you can set up this. But let's say we want to use it like practical. I'm giving you a practical example. For example, we have this sheet 1, and I have a function which will, if I run that function, so it will auto paste this in sheet 2. So let me run this function. So see, it's not, I made a mistake. Okay, okay, so see, this function is running. Let me show you again. This function run. So what I want, when this function completed, we should know, we should get an toaster notification. For this you have to use spreadsheet app dot get active sheet active spreadsheet dot toast. Now I call this, I'll give it a message, sheet 2 updated. Okay, you should always use this, sheet 2 updated. if I run this function, see, we got this notification and it's updated. So let me do it again. See, it's updated. So let me do it again. So we are in sheet 2. See, so this is how you can set up a toast notification in Google Apps Script. Thanks for watching this video. If you want custom app script, you can contact me, link in the description.